Hi, I'm back with my new topic. You must have drawn tables using pencil and scale in your life sometime. So in this video we are going to do same but with the help of HTML code. We are going to use table tag. For making table we just don't need only table tag. We need many more tags associated with it. You will understand with the example, and this is a pretty interesting topic. Table is divided into two parts, head and body. Within table, first we have to divide it like T head and T body. As I said, it is divided into two parts, and within T head we need to write TR, which means table row. Then within TR we need to write TH. Within T body, we need to write TR again, but this time we are not writing TH, we are writing TD, which means table data. So this is a single data with the one which I have selected. Now if we want to give some more data, like I want to give one more data, I'll simply copy the same structure. So this is the structure of table. You can see the nesting here. Nesting of table. After table we have T head. After T head we have TR, and after TR we have TH. This is also called breadcrumb. Now see the nesting of T body. So after table we have T body, then TR, then TD. We cannot see TH and T body together because these are coded in the same line. This is not under T head. T body is not under T head. T body and T head both are under table. So now let's write something within table. For example, if we want to give heading as now let's save and check the result. See, you can see that it is given in bold, month and color. This is because we have used T head and TH, and this is in a regular font. So this is because we are using T body and we are using TD. We can use tables for many purposes. For example, we can also use it for showing menu. It can be shown in a very structured manner, and there are many other things like data. When we are working with a real project, we need table for showing data. We can even use table as grid. We can divide the content into 2 or 3 parts by using table. For example, like for dividing the content, we don't necessarily need T head. We can simply use T body and we can write a long paragraph kind of content here. Like we can write January is the month of winter. February is the month with 28 days. Green is the color of plants, and orange is also a fruit. Let's save and check. See, this is divided. Right now it's not that clear because we have not used border, but if we draw an imaginary line here or divider, then you can see that green is starting exactly from where orange is starting. And if we write a long paragraph, if we give a fixed width of the table cell, then it will be organized beautifully. So that's all for table. I'll take your leave. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.